Welcome. If you're looking to copy a page link on X, formerly known as Twitter, you're in the right spot. Today I'll guide you through the updated steps to quickly and easily grab a page link. This is perfect for sharing interesting content or connecting with others, so let's get started. First, open the X app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this is essential for accessing all features. Once you're in the app, navigate to the page you want to share. This could be a friend's profile, a brand page, or any public account that catches your interest. Once you've located the desired page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots. These are the menu options for that page. Go ahead and tap on those dots. This action will open a menu with several choices related to sharing and managing the page. In the menu that appears, find the option that says Share. Tap on it to bring up various sharing options. This is where you can choose how you'd like to share the link, whether through direct message, email, or another social media platform. After you tap Share, you'll see an option that says Copy URL. Selecting this will copy the page link to your clipboard. Now you're all set to paste that link wherever you'd like, be it in a message, a tweet, or even a post on another platform. And there you have it. You've successfully copied a page link on X. This quick and simple process allows you to engage more effectively with your network, whether you're sharing content you love or promoting a page you think others should check out. Happy sharing!